think the shift with the rise of decentralized and crypto in distributed ledger, there's been significant friction in adoption. And people have talked about the lack of interoperability between open source and closed models, amongst protocols, across chains. And that's created a lot of friction, a lot of uncertainty, and a lot of doubt, especially amongst Web 2 companies that want to adopt Web 3 and decentralized technologies. And I think what we've seen, especially over the course of the last 6 months, with the rise of vibe coding, is this virtualization of labor that Tim is talking about. So we've seen it realized with 10x or 100x productivity increases in the software development and the software engineering, but we haven't seen the equivalent yet in infrastructure. So what Jember did with Render, in partnership with Render and Manifest, is we deployed workflows that leverage the Render GPUs and Manifest CPU and network infrastructure. But the initial setup of that took a lot of scripting. It took typical DevOps effort. And what we've seen now is over the course of the last couple months is the ability to bring all the advantages of vibe coding and being able to leverage the AI-enabled workflows to manage, deploy, monitor infrastructure. And we're now starting to use that literally with Manifest and Render. And that's been a huge unlock. And that's now enabling us to really use the decentralized compute in a way that honors the requirements of very risk-averse companies. And that's been an amazing evolution over just the last 6 months.